children, this is 5th class maths. I hope you all completed your class works. Don't keep incomplete work, any incomplete work children. Okay, today I am going to start new block, that is block 13 percentage. In that S1 introduction to percentage. Children, before starting the question, I am starting the lesson. First I will ask one question. Where have you seen this percentage symbol children? Where it is being used? Are you know children? So this is percentage symbol children. Where it is being used children here? We use in discounts. For example, in shopping malls, electronic shops, and next paying interest in banks and getting marks. In these all you can see the percentage symbols. The word percent means here children cent means 100, per means every. If percent, cent means 100, per means every. So percent means per every 100. Okay children? Children, I have drawn here 100 box grid. See this one hole I given a 100 part. Suppose in this one box if I shade, it should represent how much percent? How much percent children? 1%. Suppose if we shade 3 parts, 3%. Suppose if we shade 100, suppose if we shade 12 boxes, it represents how much percent children? 12%. So how will write children this percent means you have to divide every 100. We remove percent symbol and write 12 by 100. So this is in the percentage form. We wrote in this fraction form. This we can represent in decimal form also. See how we write in decimal form children this. Here 2, first you write numerator. What it is there in numerator number here? Numerator place 12. So as it is you write 12. Here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So after 2 digits, put the decimal point. So 0.12. This is the decimal form. So we can represent in 3 ways. Percentage. Here we wrote in percentage form, and percentage we converted into fraction form, and fraction form we wrote in decimal form. Okay? We represent in 3 ways. So now I am showing some more examples here. Percentage, fraction, decimals. See, these are the relation between percentage, fraction, decimals here. 25%. So for 25%, how can we write in fraction form? 25 by 100. In decimal, see 25. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So count digits, 2 digits, 1, 2. You have to count from right to left. 1, 2. Put the decimal point. Write 0, 0.25. Okay, 50%. Fraction how we write? 50 by 100. So it is 0.50. 75%. 75 by 100. So 0.75. 100%. 100% means 100 by 100. So 100 by 100 means 1. So 1.0. Okay. I hope you understood children. Now take out your workbook. We will do workbook sums. Page number 25. Date 13, 11, 20, 20. S1, Introduction to Percentages. First bit, what percentage is shaded? Children, this is example sum. So how many parts? 100 parts are divided. So how many parts is shaded, children, here? 20 boxes. So 20%. Now B bit, how many parts are shaded? How many boxes are shaded, children, here? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 40 boxes are shaded. So how much percent is 40%? C bit and D bit, do it as homework. Now second question. Write the fraction, decimal and percentage for the following figures. Fraction, decimal, percentage. See here, how many boxes are shaded, children, here? 30. So fraction, in fraction how will write? So total 100 boxes. How many parts are shaded? 30 box. So this is fraction form. Decimal form and percentage form, you are do it your own, children. Now second bit, this is one whole. So this much part is shaded. So how much part is shaded, children? Suppose if we take this is half part, half, again in half they divided two parts. So in whole this is 100%. So 100% if we divide half, 50-50. Again in 50-50 how much part is shaded? 25%. So 25 by 100. In decimal, how will write, children, in decimal? 25. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So after 2 digit, write the decimal point and 0. In percentage form, how much percentage? 25%. Now third bit, Tony has shaded in 50% of the squares in a square grid. If 60 squares are shaded, how many squares are there in all in the square grid? Children, check the grid here. Now see here, children, in the question only gave that 50% he shaded. That is 60 squares is shaded. Okay. How many squares are shaded here, children? 60. So of 60 means how much? 60 plus 60 is 120. One whole is how much? 120. So 120 squares are there in square grid. So half means 50%. Half is 60. So 60 plus 60, 120. So whole is 120. Therefore 120 squares are there in square grid. Okay, children? I hope you understood. Complete your workbook. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.